Today, as you can tell, it is a special day. It is Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness, the chocolate chef has something for you. I'm going to teach you how to make that person fall deeply in love with you. I'm going to teach you how to make my chocolate creamy balls. Baby, when she puts these in her mouth, woo! She's gonna know what heaven is. We'll see you back in a second. Now, first off, we have a few things ready that we've already gotten out. We have our cream cheese that we've let sit out for a while so it can soften. We also have our chocolate that we've already cut up. Basically, you gotta shave it off because we have to temper chocolate. And let me tell you something, that is no joke. Tempering chocolate is crazy. Then we also have our pistachios. We're gonna add those in, we're gonna mix it together, and I promise it's gonna be good. So, first off, let's go ahead and get our pot out. We're gonna add a little water to this. Sorry for turning my back to you. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the white chocolate. We're gonna drop it in like so. We're gonna let the water heat up. We gotta get the water up to at least 122 degrees. That's gonna melt the chocolate without burning it. Okay, now we've melted our chocolate, our white chocolate. We're gonna add in, and that was 100 grams of white chocolate. Now we're gonna add in our cream cheese, which is 100 grams also. We're gonna get these two mixed together. Oh yes, let's mix them in good. Got to get all of it mixed in. See how it kind of starts to thicken back up a little. It's going to change colors a little bit. Also, with mixing, we need at least a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Got to put that in also. I know you're like, what? Lemon juice? It's gonna be bitter. It's not gonna taste good. It's gonna taste great. Okay, let's mix all that in. Now, we're gonna add in our nuts. In your chocolate balls, you gotta have nuts. And these are pistachio nuts. We'll mix those in good too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's coming along great. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay. I know what you're saying. It's like, why does it, with the chocolate and the cream cheese, why doesn't it look white? It'll get white again as soon as it cools. It's gonna be white. It's gonna be a little kind of off-white because you also have the pistachio nuts in. You gotta get those in because you want the nuts all the way through. All right. Okay. It's beautiful. Okay. All right. So now what we have to do is we're going to take this, we're going to put it in a box, we're going to let it cool for at least 3 hours. As you can see, our filling, our cream cheese filling with nuts has cooled. So now what we're going to do is, let me put my trusty glasses on. Chocolate chef needs to see. We're going to go ahead and cut out. We're going to weigh this. Now, we're gonna do at least 21-gram balls. Now, most people do 16-gram chocolate balls. Maybe not the chocolate chef. The chocolate chef has big balls, and I have way more than you can handle. So I'm gonna give them to you. So let's get this started. We're gonna get the first one. We're gonna show you what to do. After we got the first one, scoop it up. I'm gonna pick it up. Then we have to roll it. And that's our first ball. Bam! Okay? Then we're gonna go in there. We'll do it. Again. Too much. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get these out the way, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Now, I've rolled up all the balls. Now, what we're going to have to do is take these balls. We're going to have to put them in the refrigerator at least for 30 minutes or so, because now your balls have to cool. Nobody likes hot balls. Cool your balls down, because we have another thing to do to them. We're actually getting ready to grind up some graham crackers, because what we do is we take our balls after they're cool, we roll them in some graham cracker, some crumbled graham crackers so they can get on. Then after that, we're gonna take them back to the refrigerator, let them cool one more time. That usually takes about 3 hours, and then we're going to take and dip our balls into the chocolate. Nothing like some chocolate dip balls, baby. Back. Okay, the balls have cooled down. We have our graham cracker dust that we're gonna put on them. I mean, you may have still some pieces in that are large. Don't even worry about it. Just pull them out. Doesn't even matter. Okay. Let's put this to the side. Now we're gonna take our balls. We're just gonna lightly roll our balls around in the graham cracker. Oh, look at that. We're gonna coat our balls really well. Let's do it. Get all our balls nice and coated. Now what this isn't really for, the whole thing is just to get a light taste of graham cracker in the bite when you bite into it. It's not for this huge graham cracker type flavor. It's just a light finish of graham cracker. So that way, you know, it's like a traditional cheesecake. All right, let's get that last ball. Roll that monster around, get it all coated up. All right, look at there. Okay, we got our six balls. Have a little more graham cracker dust. So when we do the other ones, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these balls. We're gonna put those in the refrigerator. We're gonna let them cool. Now this process takes a little bit longer because you really want the graham cracker to start to suck up some of the moisture of the ball. So I know that sounds kind of funny, but you want the graham cracker to suck it up and then kind of like make a nice little shell to it. And then they're gonna harden just a little because they're gonna be refrigerated. And we're gonna dip our balls into the chocolate. Oh, baby, baby. I'm trying to tell you. Okay, as I said before, we're in the home stretch. We're about to get these balls together, baby. So what we're gonna do is we have to temper more chocolate. So we're gonna test our temperature. We're at 122 again. this here so you don't lose it. We're gonna drop our chocolate in. Okay. Let's get our spoonage. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and if the cameraman can come in, they can see that the chocolate is starting to melt. Again, this is what we're gonna dip our balls in, baby. Oh yeah. We've tempered our chocolate. Our balls have set and cooled. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop our balls in, baby. It's time to drop them balls. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's do it. Okay, this is gonna be kind of messy, not nasty, but messy. You know, you gotta get it in, cover your balls up. And we're gonna go in there and scoop that ball out. Look at that, baby. Oh, that's one ball, baby. Look how big the balls are. Let's drop another one in. You gotta scoop it, roll it around in the chocolate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Let's get them balls all chocolate-fied. Yeah, that's a word. I made it up, but it's a word. It's a word. It's a word. Chocolate, baby. Let's do it. Let's drop it in. Oh, get it in there. Woo! We are doing it. Let's get it up. Okay. 3 more balls to go. Trying to tell y'all, when your woman put these balls in her mouth, she gonna be like, Chef's balls are the best. I'm trying to tell you. Let's get that ball on it, baby. Another ball. Last 2. Yeah, I know y'all been waiting. Oh, Chef, you didn't make those balls. You didn't do that, Chef. Chef, who taught you how to make chocolate balls? Come on, man. It's the chocolate chef. Y'all know who helped me get these chocolate balls together. Alright, let's drop that one. Alright, it's our last ball, baby. Our last ball. Like I said, I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is nothing to play with trying to make. Tempering chocolate is a beast. Okay. Scoop that last one out. Boom! Get it off. Get off me. Get off me. All right. Hey. Take some. Might be some places on here that need to get covered a little better. Just look nice. Make the balls look nice. Okay? Oh, look at that. Now what's going to happen is, what we're going to do is we're going to let these balls cool. They're going to cool, they're going to harden, then we're going to come back and we're going to drizzle a little white chocolate across. A little white chocolate. Don't hurt the balls. So we're going to drizzle that across just to give it that look. And I'm telling you, your girl pops 1 or 2 of the chocolate chef's balls in her mouth, she's gonna say, "Ooh, it's lip smacking good." Okay, we've already tempered some more white chocolate. I'm gonna cut off the tip. Turn it around. Chocolate is already cooled some, so we can go ahead and put this on. Oh, we're gonna, like I said, we're just gonna, oh, yeah. Oh, chef. Oh, yeah, baby. You like that? Do you like that? Come on, let's do it. We're gonna get them all in. Oh, get all this white chocolate. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Come on now. There you go. Look at that there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these cool again for a little while. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the excess off. We're gonna put them in a small cup. So you'll see how they look. And then we're going to get some of this chocolate. I know you like that. You want that chocolate, don't you? I'm salivating thinking about it. You want these balls, don't you, baby? I know you want them. We're going to give them to you. Be back in a second. Our balls have cooled. We're going to get them up off the paper. I'm going to just trim off this little excess chocolate. Trim it off. Make it look nice. Let's go ahead and just do them all. Right. Damn. Look at these balls. Look at these balls. Let me tell you something. If you get your woman some of these balls for Valentine's Day, baby, woo-hoo-hoo, I promise you, when she puts these balls in her mouth, I promise you, you'll be in the house. Now, what you also need to do is, let me pour this bottle of wine in. We're gonna block it a little bit. See, usually, when I give a woman, a lady, a single guy, some of my balls, give her a pair of balls. I like to give her good wine. Now this is a Cabernet. Can't let you see the whole name, but boy, if you know wine, this pairs up good with these balls. A nice menage. Trying to tell you, come back to the chocolate chef, baby. We'll get you in. We'll get you some balls. If you need them for Valentine's Day, hit me up if you're in Jacksonville. I'll get these balls over to your house if you're home or not. I'll hand them to your lady personally. Again, thank you for watching The Chocolate Chef.